5B question, we have to design a push down automata for the given language. Okay, so it is actually a palindrome separated by a C. Okay, because here is a word or a string, here is a reverse of that, between it is separated by C. So basically they are asking you to construct a push down automata for accepting palindromes. Okay, they have given the symbols to be A and B. For example, it can accept strings like A, B, B, okay, separated by the C. So after that, what will be the reverse? It is B, B, A. So such strings it can accept, and you have to design the push down automata for that. Okay, basically the push down automata, how it will work? It will work based on the stack, right? So initially what can we do means, we will assume the state to be Q naught. What is the basic operation? Now what we will do, we have to push this A inside your stack. So for example, if this is your stack, okay, z0 will be the initial of your stack. Now you are pushing A inside the stack. Okay, then what is the next symbol you are seeing? B. That also we will push inside the stack. Then the second B also we will push inside the stack. Okay, so what are the basic operations you can do in your stack? You can push, you can pop, or by seeing the symbol you will not do anything to the stack. That is the stack operation. We will not do anything. Okay, by just seeing the symbol we will move to the next state. So these are the three things that we can do by using your stack operation, right? Now the first three symbols are pushed inside your stack. Now if you see your the symbol C in the string, it means that the word part is completed. This part is completed. Now whatever you are going to see will be the reverse part. That is the second part of your string, right? So what you have to do means, on seeing the symbol C, I will not do anything. I means that I will not change anything to the stack. The stack will remains the same. Okay, so far I have done from here to here, I have done the push operation, right? Now what we will do, by checking this symbol with the top of the stack, we will do the pop operation, such that we can encounter whether we have seen the reversal string in the given PD. Okay, so if I see the B, and B is the top of the stack, right? So what we have to do, we have to pop. Okay, now the second symbol is again B. B is the top of the stack over here, we will pop. And now the third symbol is A. Okay, A is the top of the stack, we will pop A. Now the stack has become empty. What we will do, we will accept the given string, saying that it is a palindrome. Okay, so this is the basic idea that you have to do. Now we will implement the same thing by using your push down automata. So initially, okay, initially your stack has nothing, right? It has nothing but z0. Okay, if your string is, say for example, the same thing, A B B C B B A, so what is the first symbol that I am going to push inside the stack? A, right? So A will be pushed inside my stack. How can I write this one? I will write, okay, I will erase all these things. I can write over here, okay, A is the symbol I am going to push. My top of the stack is Z0. What I am going to do? I am going to push the symbol A inside my stack. Now the stack will become A Z0. Okay, where A is the top of the stack, below that we will be having Z0. Suppose if we are having the string like this, okay, we can have, right? This is also a palindrome. So what is the first symbol I'm going to see? B. Okay, here it is A, here it is B. Suppose if we are seeing B as the first symbol and Z0 being the top of the stack, we will push the B inside my stack. Okay, that is what we are going to do. So once this A's and B's are pushed inside your stack, now we are seeing B inside my what? Inside my string. Now I have to push this B inside my stack. Now it is having A, I have pushed that, I have to push B. This is for string 1, this is for string 2. For my string 2, it is Z0 and B. Okay, what I will push now? I will push A now. Okay, now What was the top of my stack? A was top of my stack. Which is the symbol I am pushing? B is the symbol I am pushing. Then what will it will become? I have to push inside the stack, right? So it will become AB. Similarly, if you see over here, a B was my top of the stack. The input symbol that I am seeing is A. Now what I have to do? I will just push them inside my stack. Okay. Similarly, what can I have? If I am having, okay, A, C, A, okay, or B, C, B. This is also palindromes only, right? For example, now I am having B in my top of the stack. Here B is the input symbol. What we are going to do? We are going to push, because unless and until I am going to see this symbol C, I will keep on pushing inside my stack only. So B is the input symbol. B is the top of the stack. I will push inside my stack only. Similarly, over here A is the top of the stack, right? Now A is the input symbol. What I will do? I will just push inside my stack. So A is the input symbol, A is the top of the stack. I am pushing inside the stack. Okay. So all the operations are done. Now I have pushed ABB over here and BAA over this stack. Now what is the symbol I am going to see? I will see the symbol C over here, symbol C over here. Once I am seeing that C, what I will do? I will not do anything. I will just go to next state, because I have to ensure that I have pushed all symbols to the stack. Okay. Now for seeing the symbol C, I will not do anything. I will keep the top of the stack as it is. So C is the input symbol. Here, what is the top of the stack? B is the top of the stack. What I am going to do? I am going to do nothing. I will keep the B as it is. Okay. C is the input symbol. A is the top of the stack. So C is the input symbol. A is the top of the stack. I will not do anything. I will keep my A as it is. Okay. Now, what is the symbol you are going to see? You are going to see B over here. Okay. What is the top of the stack? It is B. If it is B is the input symbol, B is the top of the stack, what you are going to do? You are going to do pop operation, right? How can you write the pop operation? I will write, okay. B is the input symbol, okay. B is the top of the stack. I am going to do pop, means that we have to mark it with epsilon, that is empty. We are going to pop that symbol from the stack, okay. Similarly, if you see over here, A is the input symbol. Here A is the top of, A is the input symbol over here, sorry. A is the top of the stack. So A is the input symbol, A is the top of the stack. What we are going to do? We are going to do the pop operation, okay. Now this B is done, this B is done. Similarly, next time also what we are getting? We are getting B only, right? So that's why we are having this loop over here. Until and unless I finish my string, okay, I will be in the state Q1 itself. I will be keep on checking. If B is the input symbol, B is the top of the stack, I will pop. A is the input symbol, A is the top of the stack, I will pop. That is what we are going to do, okay. Now the second B also is being popped. What is the input symbol? A is the input symbol, A is the top of the stack. Now it is done. Similarly, for the second stack, A is the input symbol over here, A is the top of the stack, we will pop. Second time also I have A here, we will pop. We have B here, we will pop. Now what is the remaining thing that is present in your stack? It is just the Z0, okay. Remaining all are popped, right. We have popped all the symbols present inside your stack, okay. So Z0 is the input symbol that you are, top of the stack you are having. Here also your input string is done. So when the input string is done, it will be empty, right? So empty. Z0 is the top of the stack. I will write Z0. I will keep Z0 as Z0 itself, okay. And what we will do? We will accept the string. So this is for entering the final state Q2. Here we are accepting the string, okay. So this PDA, it is reaching to the final state and it is accepting the given what given palindrome, that is WCWR string. Okay, now what we have to do means we have to write the transition for this one. How can we write that? So initially we are in the state Q0, right? When we are in the state Q0, okay, A is the input symbol, Z0 is the top of the stack. What we are doing? We are doing the push operation. So it will become A Z0. Similarly, in the Q0 state, if B is the input symbol and top of the stack is Z0, what we will do? We will just push the B inside my stack, right? Then for all the combination like A comma A, B comma B, okay, then A comma B, then B comma A. What we are going to do? Whatever is being the top of the stack, unless and until C is going to present in my string, I am going to do the push operation only. So here A will be B will be A will be pushed inside the stack. Here B will be pushed inside your stack. Here it will become AB. Here it will become BA. Okay, whatever is the input symbol, we will just push inside your stack unless and until we are seeing the symbol C. Once I am seeing the symbol C, that is Q0, okay, what I am going to see? The symbol C. If A is the top of the stack, what am I going to do? I am going to do nothing. Okay, I will just move to the state Q1. See over here, the states remains the same, but over here the state has been changed from Q0 to Q1. Okay, A will be A only. Similarly, Q0, if C is the input symbol and A is the top of the stack, I will not do anything. I'll just change the state to Q1. It will be B only. Okay. Now, in which state I am? I am in the state Q1, right? Q1, if A is the input symbol, A is the top of the stack, what we are going to do? We are going to stay in Q1 itself and we will pop. How can we represent that? By using the epsilon symbol. Similarly, in Q1, if B is the input symbol, B is the top of the stack, we will stay in Q1 itself and we will just pop. Okay. Now, if we are in Q1, okay, and the input string has become empty, that is we have processed all the symbols present in the string, then if this is the case, okay, top of the stack is Z0 and the input string has become empty, then we will move to the final state, okay, by doing nothing. We will keep Z0 as Z0 itself. So this is how your PDA reaches the final state. Now how can you write the tuple? Okay, we have to write the 7 tuple notation, right, for your PDA. That you have to do by representing all the states that is present in your PDA with the input symbol, stack symbol and all those things. How can we represent? Means Q represents the set of states, sigma represents the input symbol, and your gamma represents your stack symbols, and this will be delta will represent the transition, Q0 will be the initial state, Z0 will be the top of the stack, F will be the final state. So you have to represent all those things. Now what are the states we have? We have Q0, Q1, Q2, right? So we are having 3 states that we have represented over here. So what is the input symbol? That is in the question itself, A comma B. Now what are the stack alphabets that we have given? See, the symbols and the stack alphabets are different. Okay, so basically we are having C also over here because the input symbol we are reading C, right? But over here, what are the symbol that we are going to insert inside the stack, that only you have to put, okay, not the everything. So it will be A, B, the stack symbols will be A, B, and Z0 is the top of the stack, so we will include that also. So transition we have already written, so I will write only delta over here. Q0 is the initial state, okay. Z0 only is the top, the stack symbol that we are using, so Z0 remains the Z0. F is your Q2, that is your final state. So you have to write the representation like this. Now what they have asked? They have asked you instantaneous description for your some string. What is that? It is A B B. So see, I mean, they should give a proper palindrome, and they should ask you to do the ID. I don't know why they have given us such a string and asked you to find the ID. At least they should give A B C A B, right? Then it will be easy for you. I mean, for you to describe this. I think it is a typo mistake or something from the question paper side. So if we what we will do, we will just make this as CBAA, such that it is easy for you to understand what is exactly we are going to do. If not, I think ABB just makes meaningless only over here. Okay, so what is instantaneous description means? Here we will represent by using three things. One will be your initial state Q0, the other will be the symbol that is given to you,